Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for new moms everywhere. Introducing Mommy's Bliss Postnatal Support Reset My Body Gummies with biotin and collagen. Now, before we jump into why these gummies are a game-changer, let me tell you something fascinating. Designed specifically for postpartum recovery, these gummies are packed with a special blend of vitamins and nutrients to support your body's healing journey after childbirth. You've just welcomed your bundle of joy into the world, but your body is exhausted, and you're feeling drained. That's where Mommy's Bliss comes in to save the day. These delicious lemon-flavored gummies contain collagen, biotin, and vitamin C to not only support postpartum healing and joint health but also promote healthy hair, skin, and nails. Plus, they're gluten-free and free of artificial flavors, colors, and top 8 allergens. That's all for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, take care and stay blissful.